Hello, everybody. My name is Dr. Simona Pop, and I was invited from the Dr. Ain Moreira to to keep this PowerPoint today, and I want on this case to thank you her, and also I would like to thank um, many thanks to the technical IT for supporting me during this video recording. The name of my presentation is a Phyto dynamic modulation, a new therapy for the COVID-19. Here it's some data about myself. I am an MD, medical doctor, a DMD, a dental medical doctor, orthomolecular medical doctor, nutrition, environment, travel, and by Bachelor of Finance too. I'm working in United States since 2012 as an ACIM professor. I'm teaching the doctors, the GP, general practitioner, and the dentist. In dentistry, we are working with over 5,400 substances, and these substances are giving a lot of diseases in human body. What is COVID-19? The definition of the World Health Organization is COVID-19 is a disease caused by a new coronavirus called SARS-CoV-2. WHO first learning of this new virus on 31st of December 2019, following a report of a cluster of causes of viral pneumonia in Wuhan, China. And also it's written, the research of the treatments for COVID-19 is still premature and not based on solid evidence. This is a conventional treatment of the patient with SARS-CoV-2 infection, oxygen therapy, antibiotics, antivirus, corticosteroids, and plasma. It's time for prevention. Let's start with a mask. But before we are starting with the treatment, we have to learn a little bit about quantum physics. Niels Bohr says, if quantum mechanism hasn't profoundly shocked you, you haven't understood it yet. I'm still shocked. I'm still learning about a half a year, and it's really very difficult. Nikola Tesla's physics is his quantum physics, and this goes beyond the reality of the 5 human biological sense. The field of study goes beyond the atomic layer. It is based on the principle of information and energies are inexhaustible, permanent, and eternal. The quantum field is a source of the other fields. In the quantum field are stored information patterns, original model specific to the real living world, and its storage form of quantum package, and the trajectories are the vortex. The quantum is organized in the form of clusters. The quantum trajections describe superfluid helical geometry. In the superfluid category, we included water and our own blood. Quantum fields generating physical matters precede and organize the appearance of the physical form. They vary, fluctuate, and shape based on any stimulus, regardless of its intensity. For example, the thought is a quantum of fields that precedes an organizational decision that is the information. They belong to the universal quantum field. Quantum information and energy fields are independent, interconnected, and they are the interface between the two dimensions, physical and subtle. Physical, concrete, objective, palpable, three-dimensional, and then can be highlighted by the 5 human senses. The subtle It's a quantum word, unseen divinity can be emphasized by the effects it produces, to which the human body is permanently bound. Quantum information and energy fields are structured for guiding information energy and info energy. These cells have their own self-regeneration control system, which have a higher frequency. Selection is based on variety, flected, modulated, and how close are to or identical to the frequency our cells need. Self-regeneration function, I, to process information, and energy to restore cells, tissue, organs, systems. The Nobel Prize laureate Albert St. George once said, we live by a small trickle of energy, we live by a small trickle of electricity from the sun. Matter. Matter can be defined simultaneously as a particle, solid part, and a wave, a force field. Atoms are seen in terms of a mass act as a physical matters. The same atoms analyzed with respect to voltage potential and wavelengths represent the qualities and properties of the energy of the waves. The human body has a unique vibration and a unique pattern. The quantum field of each living being is a component of the quantum universe field. It's permanently maintained throughout life. Always keep in touch with the source of quantum field. The holographic principle. Each part represents the whole, and the whole is present in each part of the universe. Is a giant hologram, and the human body is a bio-micro hologram. The human being receives and emits information and energy in every corner of the universe. The difference between life and death, it's just a matter of frequency. The holographic principle. At death, the physical body separates from the spirit. So the physical body passes into a state with a high entropy.